Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss Z transforms of a given signals using properties. Using properties of Z transform, we are going to solve the numericals. Okay. In this case, a discrete time signal is expressed as x of n equal to delta of n plus 1 plus 2 into delta of n plus 5 into delta of n minus 3 minus 2 delta of n minus 4. Find its Z transform. Here we have to make use of properties of Z transform and we have to solve this one. First I will write given sequence as it is. X of n equal to delta of n plus 1 plus 2 into delta of n plus 5 into delta of n minus 3 minus 2 delta of n minus 4. Now see, from a given sequence we are observing that it is the linear combination of sequences. One sequence, second sequence, third sequence, fourth sequence. There are four sequences. If you are going to express given sequence x of n as a linear combinations of some signals, then how to write? I am going to write this as x1 of n. Delta of n plus 1 is going to represent x1 of n. I am going to represent coefficient a. Here a value is what? A value is 1. Next, plus as it is. Next, this one I am going to represent it as x2 of n multiplied by b. B equal to what? B equal to what? B equal to 2. Next, plus c into x3 of n. x3 of n indicates what? Delta of n minus 3. And c indicates what? 5. Next, plus as it is d. D means minus 2 multiplied by x4 of n. x4 of n indicates what? Delta of n minus 4. Hence x of n I expressed as a linear combinations of four signals. There are four signals added, and if we calculate with the help of linearity property, if x of n has Z transform pair x of z, then if we express this sequence as a combination of four signals, and what will be the Z transform of that? We know as per the linearity property, if we are expressing a signal as a linear combination of some signals, two or more than signals, then its Z transform will be addition or summation of their corresponding ZT. Once again I will repeat, if we are expressing any signal linear combination of two or more signals, then its corresponding Z transform is sum or addition of their corresponding Z transforms. Similarly, if I calculate Z transform for x of n, we are getting x of z. Similarly, if I am calculating Z transform for x of n, that is how to calculate? It is the what? Here we express as a linear combination of some two or more than four signals here. So it is the what? Z transform of x1 of n plus b into Z transform of x2 of n plus c into Z transform of x3 of n plus d into Z transform of x4 of n. Now next step, a as it is coefficient term, Z transform of x1 of n, that one I am writing as a x1 of z plus b into x2 of z plus c into x3 of z plus d into x4 of z. It is what? Total x of z. Okay, this one we written with the help of linearity property. Now let us calculate these individual Z transforms, x1 of z, x2 of z, x3 of z, x4 of z. Now x1 of n, let us go one by one. x1 of n is what? x1 of 1 is delta of n plus 1. Once again, one more property we have to use here, delta of n plus 1. In the last video we discussed, it is what? the impulse function delta of n is shifted. Nothing but time shift property we have to use. One more property we have to use, time shift property, because we know zt pair of delta of n is 1. Next, with the help of time shift property, delta of n is shifted by 1. Then here plus 1 is there, so the z to the power what? Plus 1. Okay, then so with the reference of this property, x1 of z transform of this one, x1 of z equal to what? Z to the power 1. Okay, fine. Similarly, second sequence, x2 of n is equal to x2 of n equal to what? X2 of n equal to delta of n is there, delta of n, and zt pair is what? 1. Similarly, x3 of n equal to x3 of n is what? Delta of n minus 3, so its zt pair is what? Z to the power minus 3. Similarly, x4 of n is delta of n minus 4, zt pair is what? Z to the power minus 4. Hence x of z equal to a into x1 of z plus b into x2 of z plus c into x3 of z plus d into x4 of z is there. Let us substitute here. X of z equal to, what is the value of a? A value is what? A value is 1. So this is 1, and x1 of z is what? x1 of z is z. So it becomes z plus, what is the b value? Here I will write for your reference, I will write a value is what? 1, b value is 2, c value is 5, d value is minus 2. Okay, directly we can write. Next, b is what? B is 2 into x2 of z. X2 of z is how much? X2 of z is, that is 1, as it is. Okay, next plus c is what? 5. X3 of z is what? Z to the power minus 3, plus d value is what? Minus 2. Okay, multiplied by x4 of z. X4 of z is what? Z to the power minus 4. A 1, x1 of z is z, b 2, x2 of z is 1, plus c 5, x3 of z is z to the power minus 3, plus d is minus 2, x4 of z is z to the power minus 4. Hence x of z is equal to z plus 2 plus 5 into z to the power minus 3 minus 2 into z to the power minus 4. It is the what? It is the z transform of the given sequence. In this example, we use two properties, linearity property as well as time shift property. Yes, thank you very much.